Hey everyone, this is Sean Batchelor, and it's week 2 of ASD, Advanced Scalable Data Infrastructures. This is term 1405. It's my review of the week 2 project assignment that tasked us with downloading data from an API and creating an application from that. So this is my app here, pretty simple and straightforward. It has a main screen right here, the title, the data that's downloaded from Reddit is posted here in rows. There's a thumbnail, and there's a label, and then another label for the user that posted that post. When you click on it, it loads up the image in full on a second window and gives the description for that window right there. So the data that I pulled from Reddit was the thumbnails. I pulled the title. I pulled the user or the author for that post. I also pulled as a ranking from the API, and I used that to z-index the rows so I could make the most popular post the one that goes on top when you load the application. Now, it's fairly straightforward. As I said, it works. Here's my application, my Bootstrap file. It creates the shell for my app, and it only has 15 lines of code. It also loads API call.js, which holds my HTTP client. And HTTP client on load, it loads the API request JavaScript, which I use to create the application. Now, the only problem I'd say I had in creating this app was figuring out how to put the extension on the images, which I ended up just writing a simple nested if statement that checks if there's a JPEG extension. If not, check for a PNG extension. If not, check for a GIF. And if none of those are found, then append the JPEG. I chose to append JPEG because it's the most common file format for images. So it works for the images that didn't have JPEG on them. They actually load up. And I did the same thing for the thumbnails right here. That's the only problem I had with it. The only other thing that I'd say was definitely challenging is I would like to figure out like how to download the stuff and put the right extension on it, like to figure out if it's a PNG and then actually put a PNG on it. But I don't think we've learned that yet, and I haven't figured it out, so I just stuck with this for now. It's fairly simple and straightforward, and it works. So this is my application review. Thanks for watching. Thanks.